Hello my beautiful friends and welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and giveaways. I've always got some sort of giveaway going on. So for the month of June, it is the Ish I'm Smoking Hot palette. Love this palette. I picked up an extra one for you guys. I will put a link in the description box down below that will take you to the video that will tell you how to enter this palette. Also, couple big ones coming up. When this channel hits 200 subscribers, we will be giving away free beauty products in a big box of free beauty products. So help us get there. So there's all sorts of great things and fun and fantastic things happening. So subscribe so that way you know what's going on. So the Ipsy Plus is $25 a month. There is 5 full-size beauty products in here, and it's always over $120 value. I cannot wait to dive into this box. So this month they have partnered with Tetris in celebration of Tetris's 35th anniversary. So it's all about the block party going on. There's a card in here that talks about all the different products. So the first one that I am pulling out is by Tetris with Ipsy. It's the Game On eyeshadow palette, retails for $24. This is stunning, you guys. Look at that gold and the blue. These colors are just calling my name. Love it. So this retails for $24, and we partnered with iconic video game Tetris on its 35th anniversary to create a limited edition collection celebrating our different sizes, shapes, colors, and unique beauty. This shadow palette comes with 6 richly pigmented, velvety, buildable shades to create any eye look you want, from subtle to smoky to bold and beyond. Tip: for a subtle look, use a fluffy shadow brush to stack it up across your entire lid. Using a crease brush, blend from your lash line to your crease. Apply Game Day to the center of your lid. I love that it kind of like walks you through how to create a look. For a metallic smoky look, blend Game Changer, Game Night, and sweep across the entire lid for your lash line to crease. Then use a damp angled liner brush to line upper and lower lash lines with Game Over. So you've got this Game Changer, kind of a gold matte. And then you have this blush satin, which is Game Day. This gold metallic is your Game Night. Stack it up, I think would look great as an all over lid color to kind of set that base. Is kind of a nude matte. This really pretty kind of rose gold is Block Party, and then this blue looks like I can't tell if it's a satin or matte, is Game Over. I do not want to swatch this because this is going to be our July giveaway. So I'm going to save this for you guys for the month of July. So all you have to do for this is to like this video. You must be subscribed. You got to be 18 years older or have your parents' permission, and put in the description box Game Night with those words in it, and I will use a random comment picker. And also when you leave your comment, when you type in Game Night, also put some way for me to get a hold of you, either an email or an Instagram handle or some way so that I can let you know that you won. Because what's been going on in the past is YouTube hasn't been notifying people that I've responded to them. So they have no way of knowing that they won. So let me, ease the process. Let me get a hold of you easier. Once I do notify the winner that they won, they have 48 hours to respond back to me with their mailing address. And otherwise, I will go on to a next winner, and I will use a random comment picker. So it's all kind of just random. Another bonus way for you to enter, to get a bonus entry though, is to follow me on Instagram. It's at beautyamab. AMA, A-M-A, and the letter B. From F.A.R.A.H brushes, it is the 5-piece Eye Perfection brush set, valued at $50. So each one of these is $10 each. When it comes to cruelty-free professional quality brushes, the babes behind F.A.R.A.H brushes are killing it. The 5-piece brush set has literally everything you need to create any eye look. The tapered blending brush will set up your smoky eye, while the mini tapered blending brush is fab for the hard to reach areas like the inner corners of your eyes. The large shading brush is ideal for adding a sheer wash of color across your lid, and the short shading brush works well with wet pigments. Want to create a winged liner look? The Fly Wings brush is your new go-to. Tip: for smoky eyes, sweep a natural shadow across your lid using the large shading brush. Then apply medium shade over the natural shade up to your crease using the tapered blending brush. Next, blend a dark shadow onto your crease and diffuse it with the mini tapered blending brush. Finish with lining your upper lash line in a dark shadow using the Fly Wing brush. I have a ton of eyeshadow brushes, so I'm going to be putting this one in a giveaway. You guys know I love my Sunday Riley products, so I am super duper excited about this. This thing is heavy. This is the Sunday Riley CE Glow Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. Retails for $65. With a commitment to clean formulas and pure, effective ingredients, Sunday Riley makes products you can feel good about using. The moisturizer is infused with ultra-potent vitamin C to help fight skin damage and visibly brighten your skin while adding a dewy, luminous glow. Massage into clean skin, AM or PM. I have been loving the CEO Glow by Sunday Riley, the vitamin C and turmeric face oil. So I would put this on, because remember that moisturizers cannot penetrate through oils, but oils can get through moisturizers. So put your oil on last. So I'd put that over this. Let's open this one up. I'm super excited about this. Oh, a very light citrus scent. Look how thick this is. Love this. I'm just going to put a little on the back of the hand here. Works wonders for my dry hands right now. Oh, and it smells so good, you guys. I am so happy about this. By Trusty. Ooh, I have tried one of these before. I actually have one. This one, though, is... So what it is, it's a matte color and a shiny balm. It's a lip crayon in Belize Bordeaux. It retails for $25. Trusty knows you're busy. That's why all their products multitask as much as you do. With this dual-ended lippy, you can create endless looks on the go, from matte to opaque to sheer and glossy. It's got a creamy matte berry crayon on one end with a shade with covering for the next date night, and a moisturizing lip balm on the other. Wear them alone or paired together with your favorite lip products. Your call. Tip: outline your lips using the tip of the matte lip crayon. Fill in your lips with the side of the crayon and blot. To take your lip look from matte to shiny, add a swipe of the balm over the top, or wear the balm alone for sheer wash of color. And I love how cute the packaging is. So this top here is your color, and it is magnetic. So I could sit here all day and do a little ASMR. And then here is your lip balm. So that's at the end of it. And so I think this is really neat. Lastly, by Generation Clay is the Urban Defense Purifying Pink Clay Mask. Retails for $39. By combining purifying clay with Australian botanical ingredients, this brand creates products that leave your skin feeling and looking clean and healthy. The mask is loaded with good-for-you ingredients like cacao plum to brighten skin and help stimulate collagen growth. A deep cleaning banana clay, aloe vera soothing, while acne fighting cinnapata Congo Molly, also known as the old man weed. Cleanses, purifies, and leaves your skin dewy, glowing, and gorgeous. Tip: apply thin and even layer to dry skin. Wait approximately 10 minutes or until clay begins to tighten but still feels a little wet. Then rinse off by rubbing lukewarm water onto your skin in circular motions. Gently pat dry with a clean towel. If you guys don't know, I do a masking review series, and I've got one coming up on clay masks, so I will be sure to put this in here. Make sure to include that in that video. And so I'll try it on, review it for you guys. So definitely look for this in an upcoming video. And look at this product. Look how thick that is. There's all sorts of product here on the safety lid too. So what were you guys' favorites? Hands down, my favorite is the CEO Sunday Riley. Love, love, love this. And I can't wait for you guys to get a hold of this Tetris Ipsy palette. This will go through the month of July, so make sure that you are entered. You know, put that comment down below that I had talked about, and good luck to you guys. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It does mean a lot to me when you subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.